What is Leptitox? Leptitox is scientific proved, quite possibly, one of the world's best natural weight loss supplement. Leptitox has taken 20 of the most powerful and highest quality natural ingredients, dosed them all at optimal levels, and combined them to create this pioneering formula. Leptitox is a No. 1 natural weight loss supplement. This supplement helps people to lose weight or belly fat fastly. How does Leptitox work? The working mechanism of Leptitox supplementary diet pills can be broken down into 3 different steps as mentioned below. Puts your body in the starvation mode, ketosis. Starts eliminating the toxins from your body. Breaks down leptin resistance. Curbs your hunger pangs. If prior to taking Leptitox, you had led an unhealthy lifestyle as far as your diet is concerned, then it is no-brainer that your body would be full of toxins. These toxins heavily pollute your blood and also clog your liver, due to which it starts to malfunction. Therefore, after putting your body on ketosis, Leptitox starts to flush out the toxins from your body. Brassicas and Marian thistle are the ingredients in Leptitox that aids in detoxifying and purifying your bloodstream. These ingredients are again backed with green tea extracts, which helps to boost the process of detoxification in your blood. It also helps to lessen the leptin resistance in your body gradually. Although weight loss is the major reason why you would consume Leptitox in the first place, the BHB ingredient in Leptitox would also make you more energetic. How to use Leptitox? As compared to other dietary supplements, Leptitox is a lot easier to consume since they come in the form of pills rather than smoothies. A detailed prescription is sent to you by the manufacturer along with the supplement that mainly states the following. Take 2 pills every day. Take 1 pill before breakfast and 1 before dinner. Keep a gap of a minimum of 8 hours between the consumption of the pills. To gain more from Leptitox, it is essential that you do the following things. Take the pills with water only, no milk or soda. Consult a nutritionist and chart out a proper keto diet plan. Drink a minimum of 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Start exercising in the morning daily. Is Leptitox safe? Are there any side effects? Leptitox has been taken by thousands of folks with no reported side effects. The only side effect is having to spend money on new tight-fitting sexy clothing, or cancel your gym membership. And Leptitox is a lot safer than starvation diets or hours of high-intensity cardio at the gym, because you are restoring your body's natural leptin and hunger response rather than disrupting it further. Addressing leptin resistance is the single most important thing you can do right now for long-lasting results now and into old age. Leptitox is safer than your daily multivitamin. It has natural ingredients and they're extremely high quality, manufactured at an FDA-inspected, state-of-the-art facility. It's on the latest equipment and then on top of that they're put through additional third-party inspections and quality control so you can rest assured that Leptitox is safe. Pros and cons of TH Leptitox sold. Pros. It is a completely natural owned with no chemicals or DDTV. It HL burn FT and DLWGHT fast. It WRKB redung LTN RTN and Turl. It HL detoxify BD from harmful HML. It completely safe, Nufterd TFDA RVD FLT and DGMP certified, WTH no KNWN side FFT. It VR easy to use. RLTVL inexpensive. It RR a 60D money back guarantee. CN. On LVLVL online through TH official website. Anti-Blue FRL under 18 are pregnant. Will Leptitox work for me? In a word, yes. There has never been anything else like Leptitox in history of health. Leptitox is the world's first and only anti-aging nutritional protocol that targets the true cause of unexplained weight gain, stubborn belly fat and metabolic slowdown. Leptitox is the only product in the world to contain 8 special nutrients in the exact amounts scientifically proven to improve deep sleep and enhance natural metabolic regeneration in both women and men. Burning fat, restoring your health, and turning back the clock simply could not be easier or more automatic. What if Leptitox doesn't work for me? If you're skeptical, I understand. My wife was too. I know that the only way you're going to be totally convinced is by trying this amazing formula and experiencing the incredible transformation for yourself. That's why I want you to feel completely comfortable when you order today. So I am giving you my ironclad no questions asked 60 days money back guarantee. Try Leptitox out for yourself today, and if you are not totally thrilled with the results you see and feel, simply email at Leptitox support team for a full refund *, no questions asked. I can't be fairer than that. Try Leptitox for yourself today risk-free. Where to buy Leptitox and the deals you can get. When you search online to purchase a bottle of Leptitox, you would be bombarded with a plethora of sites that claim to give huge discounts. Caution, stay away from those sites. The manufacturer has not even listed Leptitox on Amazon, and hence, you must buy the product directly from the official site of Leptitox to get a genuine product. Leptitox official website link in the below. After going out of stock for quite a while, Leptitox is again back. Order now while their stock lasts. Deals for you. Basic, 1 bottle at $59 with free shipping, you save $40. Popular, 3 bottles at $49 each with 1 free colon cleanse and free shipping, you save $150. Best value, 6 bottles at $39 each with 2 free colon cleanses and free shipping, you save $360. The final verdict. Leptitox is an effective weight loss supplement that offers guaranteed effects to anyone who has tried out every single method of losing weight with no success. This product is different because it reaches to the very root of your weight gain and addresses it once and for all. With Leptitox, it is now possible to actually achieve a body that you could previously only dream of. So, what are you waiting for?